Welcome to our guided meditation for achieving a state of stillness. In this immersive session, we will dive into the concept of stillness and explore its profound benefits for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. First, take a moment to find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to settle into your body. Close your eyes softly and begin to connect with your breath, allowing each inhale and exhale to draw you deeper and deeper into relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your awareness to shift inward, away from the external distractions of the world around you. Let go of any thoughts, worries, or concerns, and simply be present with your breath in this moment. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the practice of stillness. With each breath, imagine sinking deeper and deeper into a state of profound calmness and tranquility. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath anchoring you in the present moment, like the steady ebb and flow of the ocean tide. As you continue to breathe mindfully, allow your awareness to expand beyond your physical body, connecting with the vastness of the universe around you. Feel a sense of unity and interconnectedness with all of creation, knowing that you are part of something greater than yourself. Feel your awareness in the corners of the room. Now expand your awareness and feel it beyond the confines of your home. Extend your awareness all the way up to the sky and even into outer space. Now, let's explore the different dimensions of stillness within ourselves. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort in your body, and with each breath, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to those areas, allowing them to soften and release. As we journey deeper into stillness, let us take a moment to reflect on the concept of presence. Presence is the art of being fully engaged and alive in the present moment, free from the constraints of past regrets or future worries. Allow yourself to embody this sense of presence, knowing that each moment is an opportunity for growth and transformation. Take another deep breath. With each breath, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this state of stillness and presence. Feel a profound sense of peace and contentment washing over you, like a gentle rain shower, cleansing and purifying your body, mind, and soul. Stillness is not merely the absence of movement or noise. It is a state of inner calmness, clarity, and presence that allows us to navigate life with greater ease and grace. Take a few more deep breaths and try to sit in this stillness. In our fast-paced, modern world, stillness can seem like a rare and elusive commodity. Yet, it is essential for our overall well-being. When we cultivate stillness, we create space for reflection, introspection, and self-discovery. We become more attuned to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with greater wisdom and clarity. Stillness also has profound effects on our physical health. When we are in a state of stillness, our bodies enter a state of relaxation, reducing stress levels, lowering blood pressure, and promoting healing and rejuvenation at a cellular level. Regular practice of stillness has been linked to improved immune function, better sleep quality, and even lower cholesterol. Take a second to sit in this moment of stillness and see if you can feel how your body reacts. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the concept of stillness and what it means to you. Is it a sense of inner peace? A quieting of the mind? Or a feeling of being fully present in this very moment? Allow yourself to explore this idea with curiosity and openness. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into this state of stillness, feeling a profound sense of calmness and serenity washing over you. Know that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment, and that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. As we continue to sink deeper into this state of stillness, let us take a moment to reflect on the different ways it can enhance our daily life. From the small moments of quiet reflection to the larger decisions we make, stillness infuses each moment with a sense of presence, purpose, and meaning. As we come to the end of this meditation, let us carry this sense of stillness and presence with us into the rest of our day. May we continue to find moments of quiet reflection, mindfulness, and gratitude, knowing that stillness is always available to us, no matter where we are or what we are doing. Thank you for joining us for this guided meditation on achieving a state of stillness. May you carry this sense of calmness and presence with you as you move throughout your day, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment. If you enjoyed this meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.